Alright, this is Steve with Apex Home Inspections, and today is Wednesday, April 6th, 2016, and we are at 319 Northeast 151st Avenue in Portland, and we're here today to do an inspection of the sewer line. And as you can see, we're actually inside of the home. We are in the basement. Our sewer line cleanout is behind the water heater, kind of in the dark corner of this storage area. So we're going to go ahead and drop our camera on in there and see if we can't get things pointed in the right direction. There we are. We're going to zero off our counter in the upper right hand corner of our screen. And we'll begin our push all the way out to the city main. At least that's our goal. A couple of notes about today's inspection. This home was built in 1957, and we are in a neighborhood of homes that were built around the same era, some a few older and some a few newer. And although we are inside of a modern plastic line, we may end up finding out in the streets, and we may end up finding older concrete line. Although my guess is going to be that this may be a plastic line in the street as well. A lot of these neighborhoods were converted to sewer in the late 80s, early 90s. And by that time we were using a lot of plastics. We'll find out shortly. In case I haven't already said it, we're inside of a 4-inch plastic ABS line. Very common material used even today in brand new construction. What we're seeing is I paused the video for just a moment and I flushed the toilet just to kind of give us some extra momentum with the camera cable. Oftentimes once we get out of 70-80 feet or so, the friction of the line itself is more difficult to overcome the further out we go. So water oftentimes will alleviate a lot of that friction. We'll pause here for just a second at about 64 feet to make note that we are transitioning to this green colored material. This is known as 3034 PVC. This line is slightly larger than the line we just came out of. That makes it probably about a 5-inch line. 3034 is also a material that's used currently in new construction. We often find 3034 when we get further out to the street, underneath rights-of-way such as sidewalks, parking strips, planting strips, and the like. Another flush, and that brings us right to the city main at 84 feet. The good news is we're at the end of our inspection. We've reached the point that we were hoping to, which again is the city main. You can see that's what we're looking into right now. And because I haven't seen anything that concerns me, I'm going to go ahead and close out this video now. I'm not going to recommend any further action, as it would appear this sewer line is functioning very well. Thank you.